Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can repost someone else's story on Instagram. We discovered the brand new feature and the brand new way to do it. Let's jump into the Instagram app. So first thing guys, we want to look and find someone's Instagram story that we want to repost. Let's look at this. So let's say we want to repost this story over here. All we gotta do is to screenshot the image. Okay. Then you want to edit the image by simply reducing it from the upper and lower side. We cut out what is unnecessary. Then you click done, save the photo, close the account. Then we want to go back to our original feed and we want to create a brand new story. Go ahead and click on the upper left side of the screen on the plus sign. Now let's select the image that we took a screenshot of, this one over here. Pinch out, so essentially we're going to make it even, right? So it will look like a real actual story. Looks perfect. I will go a step ahead, click on the text section, and let's click the mention on the lower left. Let's mention the account. Even though they see the account, that's the account, right? But this is how we are actually going to do it. And everything is done, guys. We have the actual image or video, whatever we want to repost on our story. We have the tag, create is given, and the goal is accomplished. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.